Haga 0 hour notice ke yok benrung hapo ke dorbar jong ke Lok Sabha Parliament u MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u Dr. Ricky H. Sengkon u Saimadan ye Kyrteng high level. Ba shimbanta bangkren lo doyong u Dr. Ricky Ulong u kwa ban pentip ba yau doyong ha Meghalaya hading ke chingsha khang ke NGT ke sorkar jela khlem ai henrai ban ailat ban penyat degi high level hak ban ti bat khayi bi an ban kentui ke sorkar India bakan tuklar bat ladalong deban khang shisndon ya baro ni ban alat pajba ya baro banti bat kumcu ban shalani u am ban shule shiliang
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for allowing me to speak on this 0 hour. Yes,
I would like
to draw your attention to this very important issue, and that is way back in 2014, the NGT banned the mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya, which is one of the major activity of the people of our state. However, sir, the sad part is that in spite of the ban, there is this group which is known as the high level group. They've been indulging in mining, indulging in transportation of coal. And this is very serious, sir. The government of the day in Meghalaya is turning a blind eye to this activity, and therefore I urge upon the government to take up this issue seriously, either to ensure that the ban is imposed, the blanket ban, or to open so that to allow, the people who have been dependent on this important industry for their livelihood. Thank you so much, sir.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.